89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back to the Morning Brew Show. Celebrate Super Pinoys with SM. All right, as we commemorate the 126th celebration of Philippine Independence Day. All right, we will be having Super Pinoys 2024 on May 28 to June 12 with series of activities. Racing ceremony on May 28 to June 12, Super Pinoy Market, Super Pinoy Food Trip, and Super Pinoy Music. Follow SM social media pages, SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? And also, check out the latest job openings. Baka naghahanap kayong trabaho, ha? Latest job openings for SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? Starting up with this one, accounting officer for SM City Olongapo Central. They are in need of an accounting officer, okay? Excuse me, accounting officer. Client service officer also for SM City Olongapo Central. And there's one more. Building administration officer for SM City Olongapo Downtown. Apply now, okay? And the Eurotex. Check out Eurotex at our home at the third level. Keep it cool with the Eurotex cooling mattress from our home. All right? So it's a must-have for your bedroom. These mattresses not only provide cooling but also the comfort you need every single night. Visit the third level, our home, third level, SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And Shakey's congratulates graduates. Okay? Yung mga mahilig sa Shakey's Pizza. Here's a special treat just for you. Get a free basket of flavored mojos for a minimum purchase 1,500. Choice of sour cream, barbecue, and cheese. Yummy. Just present your school ID or graduation photo to claim. Wow. Yan. Promo is good May 18 to June 30, 2024 at the Shakey's ground level of SM Central. Visit na lang there. Visit there. Okay. And Auntie Anne's now offers the lemonade mixers for only 145 pesos. Visit Auntie Anne's. Meron sa Central. Meron din sa downtown. Okay. And Isuzu Zubik will be on display at SM Central from May 21 to 27. Okay, check out the mall display of Isuzu Zubik at SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, you guys might want to check out the latest from Isuzu. Okay. And the installment fest is ongoing at the SM store. Instantly win back 5,000 pesos worth of gift pass up until June 30. So visit the SM store now. Okay, and also don't forget Bloom's Fan Fest will be happening this coming Sunday na May 26, Sunday 3 p.m. at SM City Olongapo Downtown for all of you fans of the girl group called BINI. All right, BINI. Okay. Check out also the Crema de Fruta special cake for the month of May from Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. All right, they are located at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. And Boys Teen Sale up to 50% off at the SM store from May 1 to May 31. Check out the sale items for your Boys Teens. Boys Teen Sale up to 50% off. Okay? So there you go. Those are the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And a while ago, as I mentioned, I said we will be having the radio contest. All right? For Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Okay, as you guys all know, Sosimo will be celebrating their pang-ilang anniversary na? 5th anniversary. Wow, this coming May 26. And it will be held at the their very own place, JHK Building, number 3, Indiana Street, Lower Calaklan, Olongapo City, featuring surprise ito ha. Hindi nila sinabi kung sino-sino pero sabi nila guest celebrities will be coming. Naku, may mga celebrities na darating. Okay? So, kailangan punta tayo this coming Sunday na yun, ano? Starting at, it starts at 6 p.m. Pero may parade muna at 4. Okay? Motorcade. Alright? So, join the radio contest. Get to answer the details about Sosimo Fashion Boutique's 5th anniversary and you will get to win. Alright? You will get to win a 500 peso gift certificate from Sosimo. O ha? Simpleng-simple lang, no? Tumawag ka lang tapos sumagot sa ayan, we have a caller. We have a caller agad-agad. Hello caller.
Yes, hello caller. Yes, DJ Tom.
Good afternoon to you, sir. Hi.
Hi.
Magandang hapon.
Hello.
So you're going to join the radio contest, no?
Sige, try natin. Subukan natin yan.
Try lang. O sige, try lang. Malay mo sumakto, no? Oo nga naman.
Malay mo, pahabol sa Mother's Day yan.
Malay mo sumakto, di ba? Oo nga. Anong
sige,
pangalan mo, pare ko? Can I get your name muna?
John Santos.
John Santos. Celebrity ang dating,
Hindi yung
pare.
artista, hindi yung bakla.
Yun nga eh. As I was John Santos.
Sabi ko na eh.
Pare ko, saan ka tumatawag? Where are you calling from? Taga saan si John Santos?
Istapinac, Olongapo City.
Uy, Istapinac. Sabi nga ng mga Americans, no? Istapinac.
Istapinac.
Olongapo City.
Olongapo City.
Istapinac. Pare ko,
Yes, sir.
Bago ko kita i-declare na official winner, syempre kailangan sagutin mo muna yung mga umaatikabong tanong para sa Sosimo Radio Contest, no? Okay?
Wag na mo matugo matugo sa ilong.
Madali lang. Are you ready? Handa ka na ba?
Sige, try natin,
Ayan.
sir.
Okay.
Sir DJ, sir.
Sige. Tungkol lang naman to sa sa trigonometry. Yan. Naalala mo nung French Revolution, 'di ba? Pumasok si Napoleon Bonaparte sa Central Europe.
Introduce niya yung Pythagorean theorem.
Tapos yung may dala-dala siyang aso. Anong pangalan ng aso, pare?
Yun lang, hindi kami close.
Hindi yun. Joke lang. Nire-ready lang kita. This coming Sunday na yung Sosimo Passion Boutique magse-celebrate ng anniversary. Pang ilang anniversary niya, pare ko? That's question number 1. Pang ilan na?
Pagkakalam ko, 5th year anniversary.
5th year. 5th anniversary na. Tama. That's question number 1. Answered correctly by John Santos. Question number 2. Kailan yung exact date ng celebration, pare ko?
Exact date?
Nung celebration, yung eksaktong araw. Ano siya? May siya?
May 26.
May 26. Uy, that's also correct. This coming Sunday na, no, pare? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Sakto, walang pasok. Pwede mag-tweet dyan.
Tapos meron silang gagawing malaking celebration. Alam mo sabi ng Sosimo, hindi nila in-announce kung sino, pero they got celebrities daw. Maraming celebrities na in-invite na pupunta. Kaya yung mga nakikinig ngayon, kung nakikinig kayo, punta kayo ha. Pero para makapunta sila, sabihin mo nga kung saan located, pare, yung Sosimo Passion Boutique, saan matatagpuan? Kasi doon gaganapin eh.
Located siya sa may Indiana Street.
Okay.
May JHK building. Indiana Street, Lower Calaclan, sa may JHK building.
Ayun.
Yung landmark niyan, tapat ng tatawid ka tapat ng Iglesia ni Cristo.
Okay.
Sa may Lower Calaclan.
Okay. Akala ko ang tapat niyan, street.
Hindi, nga, yung kalye. Lupit talaga ni DJ.
Pero pwede rin. You got it correct. Number 3, Indiana Street. Nandiyan kaya kilala mo si Caitlin Clark, pare?
Caitlin Clark?
Kasi Indiana
celebrity yata yan.
Indiana Fever yun ng WNBA. Baka dumating, no? Indiana eh.
Hindi nga. Totoo? Poster yan, pupunta talaga ako
Hindi,
niyan.
basketball player yun. Celebrities daw, darating. Marami. Big names, pare. Big celebrity names. Ayan. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, punta kayo sa Sunday, May 26 at JHK Building. Hindi ba?
Anong oras naman, sir, pwedeng pumasyal kung sakasakali?
Hindi ba sa'yo yung building na yon, yung JHK? John kasi John. JH.
Ay, gano'n ba? John H. Santos, gano'n.
Yeah. Actually, the party starts at around 5-6 p.m. Motorcade muna at 4 p.m. on Sunday. Kaya, ayan. So, lahat mo na nakikinig. Iniimbita. Ayan. So, at hindi lang yun. Pupunta ka ron na invited. Meron ka pang 500 pesos gift certificate. Yay! Congratulations. Yes, sinagot mo ng tama. So, you're the winner.
Okay, thank you. Salamat.
Bago ka magpaalam, baka gusto mo munang bumati, mga pagbati, pare ko. Greetings.
Sa mga greetings, shoutout sa lahat ng mga batch 90. Salamat din doon sa mga dumalo sa recently concluded na batch gathering. Maraming salamat, and at the same time, thank you kay Sosimo sa promo at invitation. This coming May 26.
Wow.
Looking forward to it. Maraming salamat.
Yung dalawang
Sa GSK building.
yung dalawang event na binanggit mo, ano daw yan eh, parang side event ng birthday mo eh, parang ganon. Kaya happy birthday din sa'yo, pare.
Ay, ganon. Oo nga. Maraming salamat. Talaga yung Facebook, wala ka malilihim eh, no?
Nakalagay sa ano mo, oh. Happy birthday. Binabati ka ni Mark Zuckerberg, pare, oh.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Galing nga.
Happy birthday sa'yo, pare, and congratulations to you.
Thank you.
You're the winner.
Sa pag-announce sa birthday ko.
Oh, lastly, yung traditional question, bago nagpapaalam, sino yung artista lookalike ni John Santos? Hindi yung John Santos na artista. Artista lookalike mo raw pag nakikita ka, pare. Pag nasalubong ka, sabi sa'yo, pare, kamukha mo si ano pautang naman.
Si Jay Matalo.
Sino?
Jay Matalo.
Si Jay Matalo. Wow! Si ano yun? Si Momoy Tola.
Ang galing mo talaga.
Baliktad eh, no? Kasi Matalo sinabi mo eh. Kaya Momoy Tola.
Yun yung kalimitan na ano eh.
Wow.
Segue ng mga kakilala natin eh.
Pogi pare ha, pogi. Yeah. Pakis.
Oh my God. Parang napapanood ko na yan Tawag ito pa, si Roderick Colante. Noon. Pre, ang bango mo, ang pakis naman.
Sige congratulations na. Nag-iinit na yung pakiramdam ko, pare.
How to claim pala yan? Kung sakasakali, saan ko makiklaim?
Bali, dito sa radio station ng claiming, Monday to Friday, office hours. Ayan. Okay. Thank you and congratulations, Mr. John Santos from East Tapinac.
Salamat.
Congratulations.
Thank you, East Tapinac. Thank you.
All right, so there you have it, our winner of the Sosimo Radio Contest. Congratulations kay Kuya John Santos. Okay, I will forward your name, syempre, para dun sa listahan ng ating mga winners. And for the meantime, giving you something now from Rochelle Pangilinan. She is one of today's birthday celebrants. A while ago, reason why we played Jewel's song, it's because it's her birthday. Ito pa, one more birthday celebrant song. Rochelle Pangilinan with Glock 9. This is called Pag-ibig Natin, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.